Hello students, let's do some more 1 mark questions. In the figure, area of shaded region, this is the shaded region of two concentric circles is 264 centimeters. This area is 264 centimeters square. The sum of radii of two circles, these are two concentric circles, the sum of both of their radii is 14 centimeter. We have to find the radius of difference of their radius. Now, let radius of bigger circle is r centimeters and radius of smaller circle is small r. Now, what is the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region can be find out by area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. What is area of shaded region? 264 equals to area of bigger region will be, bigger circle will be pi r square minus area of smaller circle will be pi r square. 264 equals to pi is common, r square minus r square. What is r square minus r square? We have an identity, a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now 264 equals to 22 by 7 into r plus r and r minus r. R plus r is given, that is 14. 264 equals to 22 by 7 into 14 into r minus r. 7 2s are 14. What we have to find? We have to find r minus r is 264 by 27 into 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2. 27 6 are. Therefore, r minus r is 6 centimeters. The difference between the radii is 6 centimeters. Find the coordinates of the point on y-axis which is nearest to the point -2 and 5. We have a point -2 and 5. X coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is 5. Let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here -1, -2, -2 and 5. It is our point -2 and 5. We have to find the coordinates of the point on y-axis which is nearest to this. Point on y-axis which is nearest to this point. बच्चे, this point can be this or this or this or this. Which is the nearest point? A perpendicular distance is always nearest. Suppose you are standing here and you have to reach here. If you come through this way, then you will come here. If you come through this way, after that you will reach here. But if you come straight, you will get the lowest time. What we have to find? Nearest point. Which will be the nearest point? The perpendicular from this on y-axis. This point on y-axis. At this point, which is the x coordinate? 0. And what will be y coordinate? 5. Therefore, the nearest point to the point -2 and 5 on y-axis will be 0 and 5. ST is parallel to RQ. This ST is parallel to RQ. PS is given 3 centimeters and SR is given 4 centimeters. Find the ratio of area of triangle PST and triangle PRQ. Now, बच्चे, these lines are parallel. This angle PTS is equals to angle PQR and angle PST equals to angle PRQ. Why? Corresponding angles, both the lines are parallel. And angle P is common. Angle P equals to angle P in both the triangles. We have two triangles, triangle PTS and triangle PQR. Both the triangles are similar. Triangle PTS is similar to triangle PQR. And if we write triangle PST, then we will write triangle PRQ. Both are similar. Now, if two triangles are similar, the area of triangle PST upon area of triangle PRQ as per area ratio theorem will be PS upon PR whole square. What is PS? 3. What is PR? PR is PS plus SR, that is 3 plus 4, 7 centimeters, 3 by 7 whole square, that is 9 by 49. Therefore, our ratio is 9:49. A bag contains 3 red, 5 white and 7 black balls. What is the probability that a ball drawn from a bag at random will neither red nor black? Now, how many red balls do we have? 3, white, 5 and black 7. How many total balls do we have? 15. What we have to find? We have to find the probability that the ball is neither black nor red. First, what will we do? We will find the probability of red or black ball. How many favorable outcomes? Probability of red and black. 3 plus 7 favorable outcomes upon total outcomes 15. Therefore, probability of getting red or black ball will be 10 by 15. That is 2 by 3 is the probability of getting red or black. What we have to find? We have to find the probability of neither red nor black. How can we find it? 1 minus probability of red or black. What is the probability of red or black? 2 by 3. Therefore, 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3 is our probability. You can also do this question by neither red nor black. Then we will find the probability of getting white ball. That will be 5 by 15, 1 by 3. You can get your answer in that way also. For the quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Now, our quadratic equation is x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. First, we will find the values of x. X square 2x can be written as minus x plus 1. What is common? X minus 1. What is common in these two? Minus 1, x minus 1. Our factors are x minus 1 and x minus 1 equals to 0. What is the value of x? Value of x is 1. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. That is 1 plus 1 upon 1. 2 is our answer. Find the value of k for which the point 0, 2 is equidistant from 2 points 3k and k5. Let here is a point A whose coordinates are 0 and 2. We have 2 points, let B and C. The coordinates of B are 3 and k and the coordinates of C are k and 5. It is given that both the points are equidistant from A. It means AB equals to AC, or we can say AB square equals to AC square. What is AB? That how can we find the distance between AB? By using distance formula. What is our distance formula? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. Now, what is AB square? 3 minus 0 ka whole square plus k minus 2 ka whole square equals to AB square, root will be cancelled. AC square, k minus 0 का whole square plus 5 minus 2 का whole square. 3 का square 9 plus k minus 2 whole square, k square plus 4 minus 4k equals to k square plus 3 square is 9. K square and k square get cancelled. 9 and 9 also get cancelled. 4 equals to 4k. What is the value of k? 4 by 4. 1 is the value for k. If x equals to a and y equals to b is the solution of the pair of equations. Two equations are given. First is x minus y equals to 2. X equals to a and y equals to b are the solutions. It means if we put the value of x and y in these equations, the equation will satisfy. Equals to 2. This is equation 1. Another is x plus y equals to 4. Putting x equals to a and y equals to b equals to 4. This is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. A minus b equals to 2 and a plus b equals to 4. B and b get cancelled. 2a equals to 6 and a equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. What about b? A plus b equals to 4. 3 plus b equals to 4 and b equals to 4 minus 3. That is 1 is the value of b. If 1 root of 5x square plus 13x plus k equals to 0, we have a quadratic equation 5x square plus 13x plus k equals to 0. If one root is reciprocal of the other root, we have to find the value of k. Quadratic equation has maximum 2 roots. Let first is alpha. What will be other? Reciprocal of it, that is 1 upon alpha. 2 roots are reciprocal of each other. Now, sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? Minus b upon a. And what is product of zeros of quadratic equation? C upon a. What is ABC in this case? A is 5, B is coefficient of x 13 and C is constant k. Now, we are taking product of zeros. Alpha and 1 upon alpha equals to C upon a. C is k upon 5. Alpha and alpha get cancelled. 1 equals to k upon 5. What is the value of k? 5 is our answer. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP and it is given area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle QRP equals to 9 by 4. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle QRP will be equals to AB upon QR का whole square as per area ratio theorem equals to BC upon RP whole square equals to AC upon QP whole square. Now, this ratio is given 9 by 4 equals to BC is also given. Therefore, we are taking this equals to BC upon RP or PR का whole square. Now, 3 by 4 can be, 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 का whole square. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 2 is 4 equals to BC upon RP whole square. Taking square root both sides, what will we get? 3 by 2 equals to BC. What is BC? BC is given 15 upon RP. What is the value of RP? 3 into RP equals to 15 into 2. And what is RP? 30 by 3, that is 10 is our answer.